My name is Sharmila, daughter of Rajasekhar, and my matric number is A1780648. Today I am going to present about introduction, vision, mission, objective, company background and organization plan of business plan. The topic of business plan is Restaurant Barrio. Restaurant Barrio is a fine dine restaurant which located 50A Changkat, Bukit Bintang 50200 Wilayah Persekutuan, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This restaurant name is Barrio because it resembles to unique and classic. Restaurant Barrio provide local and western food along with dessert which Malaysian people love to eat. For an example, roti canai, nasi lemak, chicken chop, cendol, ais kacang and others. Restaurant Barrio also provide food delivery service like Grab and Food Panda. Restaurant Barrio will operate daily, which from Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. while on Saturday Sunday from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. Restaurant Barrio is the partnership company. Restaurant Barrio is a private health company. The general manager of Restaurant Barrio is Sharmila Rajasekhar and assistant general manager is Robika Sandy, Ana Ali and An Ak Mingan. Mission of Restaurant Barrio is to provide a quality service and food with affordable price, while vision of Restaurant Barrio is to be known as the top fine restaurant in the world that serve outstanding quality of food and service. Last objective of Restaurant Barrio is to expand its outlets around Malaysia. Company background: business name Restaurant Barrio Sdn Bhd, business address 50A Changkat, Bukit Bintang 50200 Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan, Kuala Lumpur. Phone number 0352523415. Form of business: partnership business. Email address barrio@gmail.com. Website www.restaurantbarrio.com. Facebook www.facebook.com/restaurantbarrio. Instagram Barrio Restaurant. Number of registration still in progress. Date of commencement 1st January 2021. Initial of capital partners contribution under 50,000. Sharmila Rajasekhar 50,000. Robika Sandy Ana Sali 50,000. An Ak Mingan 50,000. Bank of deposited capital Maybank. Based on organization chart, Restaurant Barrio General Manager is Sharmila Rajasekhar and under two Assistant General Manager which is Robika and An. Under Assistant General Manager Robika F1 8 chef who have 4 main cooks, 5 assistant cooks and 2 dishwasher under it, while accountant F1 cashier under it. Furthermore, Assistant General Manager An F1 8 waiter who have 5 waiter and 5 waiters under it, and 1 human resources manager who have 3 staff under it. This table presents position and job scope of Restaurant Barrio. General Manager: to plan, implement and control the overall management of the business, to plan and monitor the strategic progress of the business, to be accountable for the overall performance of the business. Assistant General Manager 1. Help General Manager to ensure smooth business operation, to monitor the progress of business transaction, to plan and direct the company financial and management stability. Assistant General Manager 2. Help General Manager to ensure smooth business operation, to control the operation of dining restaurant and responsible to employees welfare as chef, to control the operation of kitchen, to be responsible in directing and instructing kitchen staff. Cooks: receive instruction from head chef, cook food based on customer order. Assistant cooks: receive instruction from head chef and cooks, help cooks foods based on customer order. Next, dishwasher: receive instruction from cooks and assistant cooks, wash the dishes and keep kitchen clean. Accountant: to develop a daily report of company financial activity, to make forecasts and accountant for the company. Cashier: handle daily transaction from customer to restaurant. Human resources manager: managing company staff including coordinating and supporting the recruitment process, onboarding newcomers to the company, providing the necessary support system for payroll recruitment. 8. Waiter: to control the operation of dining restaurant, to be responsible in directing and instructing server, waiter or waiters. Waiter or waiters receive instruction from 8 waiter, take customer order daily. Staff: welcome the customer daily, help and replace of other department if needed.
To my group member. My name is Rubika Sindiana Salih, metric number A17A0629. I will continue from here, which is operation plan. Okay. Supplier. Barrio operation plan are most likely the same to the other restaurant, but what makes us different is we focus on the food sanitary and fast services. So it is important for us to choose the right supplier that will supply us with a high quality raw material. Okay, the next one is operation hours. Barrio restaurant operate daily. So let us move on to the operation process. The operation process of our restaurant is almost the same to other restaurant. It is quite simple. The first step in the process is the preparation of food. The preparation of ingredient. Then the next step is the cooking process by our professional chef. After that, the food being served to the customer, and lastly is the payment process by our customer. Next, let us move on to the product and services. Barrio offer a wide version of product and services, such as nasi lemak, nasi ayam, variety of drink like juices, coffee, and tea. So let us move on to the lunch and dinner menu. Lunch and dinner menu is the same. We offer white rice with a variation of dishes such as chicken curry, butter chicken, black pepper beef, and various recipes of vegetable. Along with that, we also offer chicken chop and lamb chop. Then drinks. Barrio offers several drinks to the customer, such as juices, tea, teh tarik, mineral water, and beverages also. Next is dessert. We also offer dessert to our customers, such as our trademark is cendol, ADC, and other desserts such as ice cream and so on. To make the differentiation to our restaurant, we offer set to our customer. Special, we offer, for example, nasi lemak with teh tarik. We only charge RM3 compared to the real price, which is RM4.45. Okay. What's special about Barrio is the all can eat concept. Customer can pay RM2 per person during this time. It is similar to buffet. All can eat is similar to buffet. So customer can enjoy the food that we serve freely. But we will charge RM3 per kilo of the leftover. Then we also register with online food delivery service such as Foodpanda and GrabFood. Okay, the last point for me is business strategy planning. Every new business dream for stability of business and uprising in profit. So, Barrio also have their own business strategy planning, which is based on SWOT analysis. Okay, the first element in SWOT analysis is strength. The flavor of our food is very unique and special compared to other restaurants, since it is the blend of local and Western culture. Our trademark, which is roti bakar, roti canai, and nasi ayam, use the special recipe that customer cannot find in any other restaurant. Okay, next in strength is Barrio concept is local plus with Western culture. So we especially decorate our restaurant by showing the mix of local and Western culture. So we mesh our furniture and so on, so to show this concept. Okay, weakness. We serve menu that have many similarity to other restaurant. So this may be the weakness to our restaurant, since customer may have their own preferred restaurant. So it will take time for us to shine. Opportunity. All can eat is a hot trend in Korea. So we believe that this will gain more customer to come to our restaurant. People nowadays have mindset to save their budget, so they believe that all can eat or buffet concept will save their budget for a family. Next, due to the constant development in Malaysia restaurant industry, the turnover and employment quantity of restaurants are rising. Besides, our government also encouraged the online business due to COVID-19 breakout. So, the delivery service of our restaurant give opportunity for us to upgrade our restaurant. Lastly is trip. The main trip of Barrio is the limitation of professional workers, especially talented and capable chef. It might high cost to recruit professional chef. Okay, so the strategy to overcome this is through advertisement. In order to make our restaurant shine and be well known by targeted customer, we constantly advertise about our restaurant in our website and online platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and so on. Besides, we also increasing our worker skills. Barrio must not rely on one professional chef only. So, we especially hire fresh graduate that we learn from our professional chef to upgrade the quality of our food. Lastly, activity promotion. Promotional activity can help Barrio to gain more customers. So from this also we can gain loyal customer. For example, customer with loyal member card can get discount and other benefit, such as free side dish or gift. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Anne Anamingan, metric number A17A0046, and I will present about customer segments, cost structure, and revenue streams. Customer segments, our restaurant always have 50% of family who always visit our restaurant. Then 30% is from one-time visitor. One-time visitor is from people that not living at Kuala Lumpur but they just pass by our restaurant and they can visit our restaurant. Then the two others 10% is from neighbors and 10% is their friends. Then back to cost structure. Cost structure is Barrio restaurant is sustainability, then Barrio tax exemptions, then efficiency. We are not shooting for exponential growth or franchise business. We position our cost structure organically with what's within our reach and resources available in our neighborhood. We are Barrio restaurants, select fair employers, and eligible for tax exemptions. Our employees all live in the neighborhood. We also have a training program to employ ex-convicts to prevent homelessness in Kuala Lumpur. Then our revenue streams is walk-ins and of course have stakeholder. Our day-to-day walk-in sales cover all our costs and make up 80% of our revenue. This revenue stream has not gained consistency and strained our bandwidth. We plan to grow this part of the business while maintaining the sustainable principle of the company. Online sales and careful expansion of operation will be the key.